Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. Fun fact, tomorrow is my birthday if you're watching this on What's New Monday. So I am actually in Disney World as you are watching this video if you watched my Monday updates. So what I'm trying to say is if you do not follow me on Instagram, check it out, Auntie_Tay. And I'm gonna be highlighting our entire trip where you're gonna be seeing sneak peeks of lots of crafts that I made, like ridiculous amounts of crafts, t-shirts, ears, koozies, so many things that I made for Disney World. So check out my highlights if you're not. What is new this week for my members? If you're not a member, go over to auntietay.com to get in on all the fun that I am about to talk about. We come out with new bundles all the time, and every single Monday I'm right here on YouTube telling you guys what is new. This is also a part of my newsletter where I show pictures and lots of fun things and update you guys on some other things as well. So if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, again, go over to auntietay.com, fill out that little thing that pops up right in the beginning, and you'll be good to go. You'll get your newsletter every single Monday morning. It is the highlight of my week and hopefully your week. And then we also have pumpkin clip art because it is October and we love our pumpkins, but pumpkin season goes through November. So use these pumpkins for really cute stuff. You're gonna be seeing me use them in some of our sublimation designs. If you are a business owner, you can use them for designing. They're really awesome hand-drawn clip art by one of our design partners. Also have sewing clip art for my crafters out there, my seamstresses out there. If you're a business member, these clip arts could be used really well if you're trying to redo your logo or use little business elements if you're a DIYer. So check them out. They are available commercially for my commercial rights and above, but you do have to change them a little bit. So you do need to add them to a logo or something like that, but you can use them on your blogs, your websites, all the fun things. They are for you to use. And then we have Jack and Sally ears, which are gonna be in the Mickey Ear Factory where you can find them. Again, I have links to all of these pages in the newsletter. So if you love using the new stuff, like right as it comes out in the newsletter, I link to everything so you don't have to search around the membership at all. You can just click there and get there and be ready to craft. Actually, Mr. Crafty Pants has a video going up every single Tuesday this month. So make sure to give him some love and watch his videos on Tuesdays and comment and show him some love because he works really hard on his videos and all the things. And with that, we have new products and I'm so excited for my new products. This week, we have 4 new bling colors. We have Kitty, Boo, Schmootsy Poo, and Googly Bear. Can you already tell who they're inspired by? They're Monsters Inc. inspired. And again, if you're not watching my Instagram stories, you're gonna want to because I crafted with these on our Mickey ears and you need to see them in the park to believe them. Again, our bling is so hard to photograph and film, so just take my word for it that you will not be disappointed when you see it in real life. It is so stunning. It blings probably like 100 times more than what you see in the video, even though we try really hard to capture that bling. Okay, and then we also have a new patterned pack. Again, if you're a member, you get 20% off all products all the time on shopauntietay.com. But we have a new pack. It's called Mad Tay Party, and it is inspired by Alice in Wonderland. And it has patterned HTV, glitter HTV, and regular Easy Weed HTV, all Caesar products. I am in love with it. Our patterned HTV is not Caesar, by the way, though. We do have a different patterned HTV that comes with a plastic carrying sheet on it, so it's super fun and super easy to use. But that pack is released this week. And again, if you are a member, 20% off, baby. So if you're not a member and you do want our products or you want them the next time they come out, because they might sell out pretty quickly, you can become a member at auntietay.com. We would love to have you. Got new things coming out. You guys already know the Bujo's coming out, so I will have updates on that soon. And yeah, I'd love to have you a part of my community. All right, I will see you guys this week and next week for another What's New update. Love you guys.